In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add white outline using Canva. If you want your subject to pop off the canvas, a clean white outline is one of the quickest ways to get that bold, modern look. It works perfectly for thumbnails, social posts, stickers, and product highlights. I'll walk you through the exact process, step by step, so you can follow along and get a polished result in just a couple of minutes. Start by opening your project in Canva and make sure the image you want to outline is on the canvas. Click the image to select it. Now, remove the background so we can isolate the subject. Look for the background remover and apply it. Canva will analyze the image and strip away the backdrop, leaving just your subject. Give it a moment to process. If the edges need a little help, take a second to tidy them up within the background remover tools so the subject looks clean and precise. The cleaner the cutout, the better your outline will look. With the background gone and your subject isolated, click the image again to make sure it's selected. Open the edit options, then head to the effects area and find the shadows section. Inside shadows, choose the outline option. This is where the magic happens. By default, Canva may apply a colored outline, but we want a crisp, white look. Change the outline color to white using the color picker. You should instantly see your subject framed with a bright, even border that separates it from the background. To refine the look, adjust the size and intensity of the outline. Size controls how thick that border appears. A larger size gives you a bold, sticker-like edge, while a smaller size keeps it subtle and refined. Intensity will deepen or soften how strong the outline reads against your design. Play with these sliders until your subject feels balanced within your layout. If you're working against a busy background, a slightly thicker outline often improves legibility. If your background is clean or light, a thinner outline can look more professional. Take a moment to zoom in and scan around the edges. Make sure the outline is consistent and that the subject's contours look natural. If anything feels off, nudge the size or intensity again until it sits just right. And that's it. You've isolated your subject, added a white outline, and fine-tuned the thickness and intensity for a clean, standout finish. Save your project when you're happy and you're done.